What's going on, traders? Hope everybody's having a great week so far. My name is Shark. I want to do a quick 3 to 5 minute breakdown on the current situation of SPX, the S&P 500 cash index, as we've had a little bit of downside momentum in the markets. But let's take a look here on the daily at what's really going on, right? Well, we've got our swing low right here at 65.25, right? And then what do we have here? Higher low, okay? And then again, created another higher low right here. And here's our higher high. Here's our higher high. And here is the last highest high, right? So right now, as long as we hold that 68.84 area, right, this between that and 69.20, really you've got a little daily demand zone there. And unless we see price start to accept underneath that 68.84, right, like so, then we can start talking about some downside moves. I think we'll come into that last lower high right here around that 68.30 area would be my guess if we see that daily acceptance under 68.84. And what do the bulls need to do today? Well, you can see we came into that level, did pop up just above. Daily 9 is sitting at 69.33. We closed at 69.26. So just a few points under the daily 9. We are still over the daily 20 at basically 6,900 flat. So that'll be another key area to pay attention to. But the bulls closed up and above that 69.20. So as long as they can hold over that, I really wouldn't be too scared. We would have to again break underneath that 68.84 to really start to neutralize this overall uptrend. So as long as that holds, we're really going to be looking for that next higher high to be created over the all-time highs here at 69.86. And I believe we got over that 69.86, 69.90. Well, then we will see that 7,000 on the cash index. So I'm going to just put in another level here right at that last highest high. Move it up a little bit. There we go. Beautiful. And that's what we're going to need to see. And it looks like that 7,000 really is just an earshot away. So as long as this level holds, really there is no neutralization of the trend. We are still perfectly going up. We will watch, technically this may be rising wedge kind of forming here, but again, it is invalid or not really important unless we see that uptrend break and then come back and we go ahead and do something like that. But we'll be watching this as it starts to compress once again and get tighter, but we aren't quite there yet. Just something to watch if you want to throw up a trend line along these 3 points here. It is pretty clear, so that's what I will be watching, and I hope this helps moving forward into the rest of the week. A lot of geopolitical news obviously going on, so be careful for those intraday tape bombs. But other than that, we've got some daily levels here that are going to be key that I'll be watching, and I hope it helps. Don't forget to share, like, comment, let me know what you think. Take care. Bye-bye.